Alright, here's another knot to put in your tackle box. Run your line through the eye. This is called a Uni Knot. Pull you out a good bit of tag. And once you got this tag out, you pinch it here against the eye right here. Take your tag, fold it over, and make a loop like a 6. So it's kind of like a 6 right here, if y'all can see that. Then at the top where the 6 crosses your main line here, pass it through. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go about 4. This is some pretty heavy line. This is 20-pound test. And once you get it here, you just kind of start pulling it down. And pull it down. And before you tighten it too tight here, you should wet it so it doesn't burn your line from the friction. And then let go of the tag and you pull your main line and pull it all the way down to your eye. And then cinch it up tight. Rest it up a little bit here. And there you go. Cut your tag off. And this is the Uni Knot. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.